Sorry, buddy. We got called back out to a job that we washed last week, some pavers, and they want them repaired and sanded and sealed. And that is a service that we specialize in. So come along and watch us repair these pavers. So you see how it's all sunken in? It all kind of splits off right here. It's sinking right here. Right here, you see.
Now that everything is even and repaired, we can start our wash, sand, and seal process.
We're gonna first start with rewashing everything, then we're gonna resand all the joints, and then put a sealer down tomorrow morning. Now it's pretty cold today. It's about 40 degrees right now, but that doesn't stop us. We just finished up sanding all of our joints. Everything is washed again, and we've added new joint sand into all the joints. It does look a little spotty now because tomorrow morning, once all the sand dries, we're gonna come blow everything off, make sure it's all perfect, and then apply the sealer. Like I said, once we get here tomorrow, we're gonna blow everything off, get all the sand perfect, exactly where it should be. We actually had to dry sand all this area here just because there is quite a bit of a dip and it puddles up with water right in that corner. So I couldn't wet sand there. Got all this dry sanded and it is ready to be perfected and then sealed up. We're ready to seal day 2. Look at their dog. Hey, Duke. Sorry, buddy. Alright guys, we just finished up. Come take a look at our finished results here. You can see the sand, hard as a rock. I did do a water test down here. It's repelling water nicely already. There are some bigger joints right here. Everything looks great. And the best part is the client is happy, and that's the most important part. Got everything back on the surface today on day 3. And keep in mind, we did sand all these by hand in here because that is where everyone steps. And up here looks amazing as well. Well, there you have it, guys. Another property well done here at Ocean Spray Services, and that's just how we do it. So please follow along for the journey, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.